Cloud design has one of the best features on the platform. Anyone is talking about it, but that alone, with the help of that, you can create your videos. And no, not just videos. The best part is you can create animation and as well as motion graphics. And what makes it genuinely different from any other AI video tool is that you can handle it with transcript and generate animation using that. Not only that, you can also generate motion graphics through your images. So in this video, I will show you exactly how you can generate animations like this, as well as how you can generate animation from your images. So let's get started. Before we start, you have to remember that Design Labs is only available for pro versions. So if you don't have a pro version, so you can't access Claude Design in your free plan. So once you bought the subscription, in the left side, you will see there is a Design Lab option is available. Right now I'm using desktop application of Claude. So on the web, this option might be in different section. So you can check that out. But when I click on the design, it will open this separate application where you can see this design, a Claude design is just got open. Now from here, you can get bunch of template like mobile app design, slides, documents, wireframe that just added this feature called animations. Using this, you can create animation. So I will just click on this animation button, and from here you can choose the models. Now for the starter, I will choose Opus 5 because it has a great test in animating things. So I will just give this prompt that animate a visual explanation how AI digital twins and voice cloning works. So this is just a title, and let's see how it create animation. I will give him create at least 10 to 15-second long animation. So for now I'm using Opus 5. The next demo I will use Sonnet 5. So let's just give him this send button. And one of the best part which I like about is you will get this interface where you can basically chat with Claude Design. Now here he is creating some few questions before he animates. First is how long this should piece be. 1:15. So I will just choose this one, and then I have the aspect ratio is a YouTube presentation. Then who is watching? General public, no technical background. Then what's the goal of this? Explaining how the technology works. Which part should the animation cover? Data collection and sample training. If you want to select this, you can select that as well. Technical depth, you can basically choose how much technical depth should be, or you can just tell him to decide by himself. Then he has narration text, on screen caption, only voiceover. So I haven't given the caption. There is an on screen caption on no way. And then we have any script or copy you have. No, I don't have any script, so I will just tell no, I don't have any script. Then we have this how should people face depicted, abstract geometric figures, so no real face needed for this. Spacing, and then you can give to decide, and what variation to choose from. No one strong version. Or you can use two different visual story direction as well, but I'm for this tutorial I will go with the one. Then we have where will this end up, export as a MP4, and then we have this select design, which color you want to choose. For this video I will go as modernist, and then hit control. So we have given everything from font to what kind of narration he will be using, from what kind of animation we want. So we gave everything with the just one prompt. So let's see how it creates. And this is very great for if you are explaining a very complex topics to your audience, or you are talking about the tech. So you can give the visual representation of that without knowing how to do animation. So wait for a few seconds and see what he creates. Now, Claude Design has just generated this beautiful motion graphic for us. Now it takes a lot of time, like it took 5 minutes, I guess, to generate this, but the animation is quite good. For example, our animation was to explain how a digital twin voice cloning works. So when I run this animation, it starts with a sample of you photos, videos, and a few minutes of speech. And this is representing you, and this is voice. And it's sending all the data to this model, where as you can see, it recognizes all the patterns in your voice, and then it sends back and generate twin. So as you can see, this is representing. So just imagine once you give what kind of animation you want, what kind of things you want, and still checking the design issues. So it's still going on. So just think how once you give more brief things about how design you want to generate, and look at the zoom in and zoom out effect and the smoothness it has. So it impressed me a lot. So that's what how you can generate a design with it. Now let's move and see how you can generate animation using images. For example, you can say you want to generate animation of a website. You can use that into your product demo. So that kind of thing. So let me just go and find an website for that. And one more thing, he has generated this second version of it. As you can see, he has just refined some of these things, like start with the example. And one more thing which I realize here is you can basically, for example, if I don't like this color of this pattern recognition, and I can just give him prompt and it will change for me. So this is what I like about the Claude design, because you can change a specific things in it. And that's the difference between the good video generator tool and Claude design, because other Google video tool doesn't give you the autonomy of changing things. If you want to change, then you have to regenerate it, that thing again and again. But you can generate or regenerate a specific thing. So now let's move to our website and I will show you how you can basically do some specific thing as well. Let me just move to different model. For example, let's say I want to change the color of the pattern recognition. There we are. So as you can see, it has just changes that thing only, and it takes only just 2 seconds to do that, which I like a lot about this thing. If you go in, you can say remotion, it takes a lot of time to fix one thing. So now let's move to our second demo. Now to generate, I will just go and create a new chat because I want to animate this thing. So start with the context, design a grounded in a context and out better. So you can use the screenshot as well, but let's go to screenshot. Let me just add this over here instead of putting that. Now I'm using this Claude screenshot, so we can animate this. So I have given this prompt that he has to generate the animation for this UI interface, and at least it should go around like 10 seconds. So I will just send him. Let's see how it generate this. Now it start working on this style which I have already selected. It can ask some questions as well. Now as you can see, he's generating this UI automatically. Now it will animate after that. There we are. He just replicated that thing. Of course, he has not put that in screenshot here. He is creating exactly that in screenshot in the HTML format, so he can animate that thing. Now there we are. It generated us this cool animation of give me 3 sentences which we can. That's what I wanted. He just generated this, which you can use in your video. So one thing is missing is zoom in, zoom out. So I will tell him to add zoom out effect. I'll just tell him because I was using Opus 4.7. Opus 5 is great at doing this. It has a very great test. That's why you can see the response is very little generic. He isn't asked any question regarding how you want to build this UI in animation, but I guess Opus 5 does a great job in this context. So I will use Opus 5 for now. Now there we are. So it has added this beautiful zoom in zoom out effect in our UI dashboard, which you can use in your tutorial video or anything like that. So yeah, that's what you can generate with the Claude design, and it's great for animation. I'm using a lot nowadays. Great animation, and it's very great for explainer video. If you have a complex topic which you want to explain, like maths or coding or anything like that, you can use Claude design animation for that, and it is great. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.